Ramadan Mubarak. The month of Ramadan is a special time for Muslims around the world. It is a time of fasting, reflection, and spiritual growth. For many Muslims, Ramadan is the most important month of the year, and they look forward to it with great anticipation. Ali sat in his living room, watching the sun slowly dip below the horizon. He knew that the time for breaking his fast was approaching, and he could feel his stomach grumbling. He had been fasting since sunrise, and he was beginning to feel the effects of the long day without food or water. But he was also feeling a sense of peace and contentment. He knew that this was the month of Ramadan, and that he was doing something important and meaningful. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar, and it is the month during which Muslims believe the Quran was first revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Ali was proud of his ability to fast, and he knew that many of his friends and family members were doing the same. It was a time of solidarity and shared sacrifice, and he felt connected to his community in a way that he didn't during the rest of the year. He knew that there were millions of other Muslims around the world who were also fasting, and he felt a sense of kinship with them. In addition to fasting, Ramadan is also a time for spiritual reflection and prayer. Muslims are encouraged to spend more time in prayer and to read the Quran during this month. Many mosques offer additional prayer services, and some Muslims will spend the entire night in prayer. For Ali, this was a time to reflect on his own life and his relationship with God. He tried to spend more time in prayer, and he read the Quran every day. He found that he was more patient and kind during this month, and that he felt more connected to his faith. He knew that he would need to work to maintain this level of devotion and spirituality throughout the year. But he felt that Ramadan was a good starting point. As the month of Ramadan drew to a close, Ali felt a sense of sadness. He knew that he would miss the sense of community and connection that he had felt during this month. But he also knew that he had gained a great deal during this time. He felt more centered and focused, and he felt that he had a deeper understanding of his faith. The end of Ramadan is marked by a celebration called Eid al-Fitr, which is a time for Muslims to come together and celebrate the end of the month of fasting. It is a time for feasting, gift giving, and spending time with family and friends. Ali was looking forward to this celebration, but he knew that it would be bittersweet. He would miss the sense of discipline and devotion that Ramadan had brought to his life. As he broke his fast that evening, Ali felt a sense of gratitude. He was grateful for the blessings in his life, and he was grateful for the opportunity to observe Ramadan. He knew that he had grown during this month, and he hoped that he could continue to grow and develop in the future. Looking out the window, Ali saw the moon rising in the sky. It was a new moon, marking the start of a new month in the Islamic calendar. He smiled, knowing that there would be another Ramadan next year, and that he would have another opportunity to deepen his faith and connect with his community. Until then, he would carry the lessons and experiences of this Ramadan with him, and try to live his life in a way that reflected the values of self-discipline, humility, and devotion that he had learned during this special month. The end.